My name is Matt Vincent. I'm the Assistant Athletics Director for Information Technology at the University Athletic Association. We're kind of unique. We're the athletic side of the University of Florida, but we are a separate entity. We're not part of the university. Some of the challenges that we face lately, I'd say on the business side and on the stadium side, is just the amount of consumption. Everybody wants more, the expectation that you're online everywhere, and the more videos, the more everything. It's just that expectation that if they go somewhere, they're going to be able to connect. And on the sports side, I would say as their video departments and the analytics get more and more robust, they rely more and more heavily on the network. And I mean, we just built a new building, even the lights plug into the network. You got everything. So the strain and the expectation, I think, is probably the biggest challenge. One of our first kind of jumps into something new was deploying our wireless for our staff to be able to have what we call that wired experience. They're able to undock and go meet with somebody, have a conference somewhere, go to another building and have that same experience wherever they go. And then on the stadium side, we have a 90,000 seat stadium, and when everyone's there, for years, you send a text, you might get that text at the end of the game an hour afterwards. You're not making a phone call. There's just been that demand, and that as it grows and as it becomes that expectation, that's where we've really, I would say, improved our experiences. The challenges we had with the installation at the stadium, I would say, it's an old stadium, concrete everywhere, a lot of core drilling, things like that. And then pretty much our 32 rows, 1 to 32 are kind of right below grade, and there's no way to go underneath. So Extreme got with some manufacturers, and they came up with some tracking and ran the cables down the thing and had it tracking to cover it, and it's been solid for 5+ years at this point. The partnership with Extreme, my favorite part is just, I would say, the customer service and the support that we get. It's very rare these days. I've worked with a lot of different vendors and partners throughout the years, and as things change, as they evolve, it seems that personal and that caring, the customer service side usually is the first to kind of go, and Extreme is always right there. They listen, they want to hear the good, bad, and the ugly, and it's always been a good partnership, and it feels good to feel like that you're a part of something with them.